So let's talk about your markets. It looks like, at least when I look back at Fund Three, it looked like a lot of it was West Coast, some Oregon, some California, but also some Southeast. How did you choose your markets?
So this goes back to those high returns, right? So that's a huge factor in driving returns. We choose high growth markets, high population growth, high economic growth, high quality of life. And these are the markets where we choose to play so that we get that rent growth tailwind at our back. And we can ultimately exit with a much higher NOI than what we even underwrote because we're getting rent growth. So that's how we think about new markets. Back in 2020, when everything was going on that year and what had already been going on the past few years with California and the West Coast, we made a decision to move to the South, to expand into the Southeast. I moved to the Southeast. So I now live in Miami. And the decision was made for two reasons: diversify away from the West Coast, which has gotten very adversarial towards our industry. Multifamily has become more and more challenging to operate. It's become more regulated. So we wanted to diversify away from some of those more challenging markets. We're still in them. There is still tremendous opportunity in them, but we want to be in other markets. And the other part of that was growth. And we want to expand and we want to grow into markets with high growth, high population growth, and high job growth, economic growth, exactly what we discussed earlier. And we just saw the Southeast as tremendous opportunity to do that. So our Miami office now covers Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas. And our LA office covers California, Oregon, and Colorado.
The hosts of the YQA Investor Podcast are not licensed accountants, attorneys, or financial advisors. This podcast is free entertainment and information only. It should not be considered professional or personalized financial advice. You should consult the appropriate professional for specific advice relating to your situation.